Welcome to Wescott by HHHunt, a community in Midlothian, Virginia. We're back with your fall 2023 development update. At Wescott, you'll find low-maintenance townhomes and condos. These homes not only offer the lock-and-go lifestyle, but also provide homeowners with spacious, open-concept layouts, perfect for entertaining. Wescott is more than just homes, and it includes world-class amenities. Picture yourself in one of the parks, like the one adjacent to the Connection. It offers hammocks, yard games, benches, an amphitheater, and room to run and play. Speaking of the Connection, this amenity center is a bustling hub of community life, featuring a state-of-the-art clubhouse with indoor and outdoor gathering areas. You can gather with friends and neighbors at our outdoor kitchen, or host a meeting in the conference room. Our homeowners are already loving the Wescott lifestyle, like our recent signature event, Dinner Under the Stars. We invite you to join this community. Your new home at Wescott is just a click away. Visit wescottnewhomes.com today to secure your spot in this exciting community. Wescott is a community designed and planned by HHHunt Communities. To learn more about HHHunt Communities, visit hhhuntcommunities.com.